Instruction of automatic spraying paint machine. Now we show you how to use our automatic spraying paint machine. The first step we need to do after receiving our machine is to connect the electricity and the air supply properly. There have an air tube. We need to connect it to air supply. Make sure the power supply is connected. There's a leak switch that's supposed to be on, and then connect this exhaust. We'll provide this exhaust ducts. Our machine is equipped with water curtain. There have water curtains inside. So there's another important thing, which is adding water inside. Avoiding the machine dry out that makes the pump burn. When these jobs are done, we need to turn the air source and the control valve on. After this, the preliminary work is ready. This is where the ink can be placed. Here can also place a pump. This is where you place them normally. Make sure the ink and tube is ready. And then we pour the ink into the tank. After this, we could turn the machine on. Let's see this side of the machine. There are buttons on this panel. This is the switch of power supply. Clamp die. As sequence, here are clean, rotate, reset and emergency stop. On each side is the controller of spraying gun. There's a start button over here. There also have a pause button and clamping button. And it's the test spray and rotate button. These buttons are mainly used in the hand drag mode. Our machine is equipped with water curtain, and then there's another important thing, which is adding water inside. The machine is reset to the origin. After we turn the machine on, first press reset button. The machine is equipped with the function of hand dragging. Then let's start with the simple debugging screen. The machines are all in order now. The water curtain is in order too. There is a switch between Chinese and English. Now we enter a simple debugging. After entering the screen, there are so many steps could be debugged. There are up to 2 pages of steps to debug. This step simulates the motion of a human hand, divided into step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and so on. Every step has a spraying mode to choose from, such as spot spray, polyline spray and reciprocating spray. Other spray modes are rarely used. We usually use polyline spray and reciprocating spray. Let's see in other settings. There is a manual automatic switching button. Step controller back on. After adjustment, we can step it up. So we are basically doing debugging. Same thing with polylines. It's a bunch of spraying points. It's working pretty well. It's that simple. So let's do another demonstration of the hand drag function. Turn on the hand dragging mode. Let's rotate it in first. HNet dragging mode is already on. The machine displays hand drag mode and laser point to point. We're going to do the drag mode now. That requires a laser to point. We've done the first step. We can turn the laser off. We can step it up and see. The second step is the same. We also do it in hand dragging mode. Turn on the laser to point. The angle could be a little bit bigger. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it on and see. That's it. There's more function on the machine. We can take a look in the settings. The password is 1234. If the clamp cylinder is turned off, the machine will not press the on. There's an escape point at up here. Time of resets. We'll set it up before shipment. Normally, just follow our settings. Hope everyone will be able to debugging soon. Try this debugging a lot. Alright. Thank you. So select the first point. Just press this to confirm. Hearing the beep, and then you go to the second point. Okay, now we had set the two position. It doesn't have to wiggle, so we can try it. The first step of spraying this foot is done. Okay, so let's move on to step 2. The second step is to spray on this product. The second step is also to choose polyline or reciprocating. We did the same thing with the second step. So let's add the first step of the reciprocation. We can choose 720 degrees equivalent to 2 turns of spray. We can set the number of times to 3. We can find the first point, then we can locate it and confirm it. Save the first point. save the second point. We can also press here. We could use a little more degrees. Let's try it